Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize Waze. If you want to personalize the app to match your preferences, just follow these simple steps. First, open the Waze app on your phone and tap the My Waze or profile icon. Then tap the settings icon to access all of Waze customization options. Next, you can change your navigation voice by selecting voice and sound. Choose the voice you want for turn-by-turn directions and adjust the sound settings to fit your preference. After that, go back to the settings menu and explore options like map display, navigation, and alerts and reports. From there, you can customize map preferences, avoid toll roads, choose distance unit, and manage the types of alerts you want to receive while driving. You can also personalize your profile by tapping your account and editing your display name or profile picture if those options are available. This helps make your Waze account easier to recognize. Don't forget to check for app updates regularly, as new versions of Waze often included additional customization features and improvements. Once you're finished making your changes, return to the main screen and start a route to see your new settings in action. And that's it. That's how you can customize Waze. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.